There are two different kinds of sloths, two-toed and three-toed. This name is somewhat misleading, however, as the number relates to how many claws they have. The count is based on each front foot or hand. Their long claws anchor them to branches and let them hang with ease and very little effort. Sloths don't spend a lot of time on the forest floor, as this leaves them extremely vulnerable to predation. They dig a hole in the ground once a week in which they defecate. Sloths are, however, strong swimmers. They use their long arms to move through the water in rivers like the Amazon. They can move about 3 times as quickly through the water as they can over land. They can turn their heads 270 degrees like owls. This helps to compensate for not being able to move their eyes. Sloths have 2 extra vertebrae in their neck, unique among mammals. What's more, this mobility helps them to hold their head above the water while swimming. Sloths are completely blind in bright daylight. Staying in the shady canopy and being active at night helps them to see more clearly. Though whatever the light levels, they are colorblind, so it's an advantage to move slowly. It helps them to take in the world around them. They do, however, have an incredible sense of smell which helps them to move around the trees, find food and a mate. Sloths are so slow-moving, algae and fungi have time to land on and grow in their fur. This gives them a greenish appearance for camouflage. The species of fungi and algae that grow in their hair help protect them from parasites and bacteria. They sleep for around 15 hours each day. This leaves 9 hours to wind their way through the trees and munch on leaves. Eating leaves, buds, and twigs is time-consuming. Sloths don't have any incisors. They use their firm lips to trim down vegetation before swallowing. Digestion can then take a few days. It helps to be slow-moving in the rainforest. Many predators have keen eyesight and hearing to detect prey. Sloths limit this risk by staying stealthily still and camouflaged high up in the canopy.